My name's Jonathan Monk, and I'm the Chief Information Officer for the Institute of Cancer Research in London. We focus on being multidisciplinary, so all the application of sciences with the key single aim of making the discoveries to defeat cancer. We were the organisation that made the link between smoking causing cancer. We made the most important link, which was that DNA damage causes cancer, and that allowed us to understand some of the root causes of cancer. In addition, we've created a large number of chemotherapy drugs, some of which, discovered over 50 years ago, are still in use in treatment clinics today. We have over 800 million files, we have 9 petabytes worth of data, we have longitudinal studies going back 25 years. So we have a large amount of really important, vital data. The key thing that we see in current science instruments is the volume of data is growing exponentially. So we can now sequence far more genomes than ever before. We can see with spatial omics far more detail inside cells. And these generate huge data files. And it's really important for our scientists to be able to quickly and easily access those files, no matter where they are, whether they're on the microscope or whether they're in the lab, whether they're using our HPC facilities to do analysis, or whether they're doing write-ups while traveling. It's really important that they are connected to their data wherever they are at any time. The key thing is that latency, but also, and I think this is one of the key advantages and reasons why we picked Extreme, the flexibility of being able to use the fabric to create small parts of the network for individual research groups to be able to make sure that they've got secure access to their data, because some of the data we hold obviously is patient data. It's critical that we maintain the security and the integrity of that data. But the speed is really key for the researcher. I've never met a researcher that's told me your network is too fast. So we've been working together for a couple of years now, and we looked at our previous network, which had grown organically over a period of about 20 years. And we realized that we needed a complete redesign. We looked at a number of vendors, and then we picked Extreme, and we worked really closely with Extreme to look at all the benefits that a modern, flexible, fabric-based network could bring to our organization. It's allowed us to make significant operational savings in terms of our WAN links. We've saved over £300,000 a year in WAN link costs that we're able to now channel in to making research more effective and doing more research. As my CEO continually informs me, every pound that we save on things that are not directly resulting, or to do with cancer research is a pound that we can spend instead on research. So using and leveraging that fabric has given us that ability to be both faster, more secure, more flexible, and much more cost effective. I love the fabric. I love the flexibility and the way that you can create these different zones of hypersegmentation. It's really important to us. I like the working relationship we have with Extreme. It's a very friendly relationship, but there's good challenge there. So we can put a problem to the team and they can come back with some ideas, and then we can work forwards together. So it's a really good partnership. I think for us, the thing that makes me really excited is knowing that ultimately all of the work we do, whether it's technology and networks and uptime, or whether it's directly in the lab, that's about making people who have or get a diagnosis with cancer have a better outcome, right? And that's a really powerful reason to get up and go to work in the morning.